Now this flashlight, Energizer Lithium. I'll put all the information of this and the others over in the side box. So if you ever get the chance and you see one of these, trust me, buy it. This only cost me $38 at my local supermarket. Problem is, I've been onto the Energizer website and it's not even listed on their website. It is on the United States website. The European Energizer website does have it on there, but there was only one in the supermarket when I bought this, and I've been back since, and they have not had any in stock at all. And I've looked at every other supermarket and camping store, and I cannot find them anywhere. So if you have one of these and you know of a place that still has them in stock, please put the address of the shop in the comment section below so that others can go out and purchase some. I highly recommend getting one of these. And it takes 2 Energizer or 2 AA batteries. And what I do is the batteries that I keep in my camera, the one that's filming right now, when they run flat, they still have a small charge in them, and that small charge is still strong enough to actually power this. So any flat batteries, I keep them and I use it in this until they really are completely flat. So the next bit will be testing these when it gets dark tonight. So that should be coming up in a couple of seconds. Alright guys, I'm out in the field at the back of the house, which is actually the football ground of the local school, which is my old school. Now you can't see anything in front of you, but I'll just light up the back fence with the 28 LED cheap flashlight from Hong Kong, if I can find it. Okay, believe it or not, that's actually on. I'll walk over to the fence. Hold on. So as you see, for distance work, that one is kind of useless. It's good up close, but that's about it. Okay, the next one is my LED lenser. I have it on flood to start with. There you go, you can just make out the fence line. Now I'm going to put it onto spot. And back on the flood again. In case you're wondering, I've got the sepia wash on the camera because it actually helps in low light levels. Okay, now the Surefire incandescent, as expected, working quite well, but the batteries are expensive and the bulb just chews through the juice, so these are actually quite expensive to run. Alright, next is the Surefire LED. And compare them side by side. LED on the right and incandescent on the left. Okay, that's coming up on screen as there is a slight difference. The incandescent is brighter, slightly, but if it comes down to it, I'll take the LED any day because it will last longer and is also cheaper to maintain. Now, finally, the Energizer Lithium. Now remember, this is a flashlight that costs half the amount of a Surefire. Now I'll get out the Surefire LED. Surefire is a fair bit brighter at this distance, but when it comes down to it, for the amount of money that you save, it is really good value. Also, the Surefire does not have adjustable power, whereas if you watch this one, so I actually think the batteries on this one may be running out as well, because they were not fresh batteries. Okay, I'm going to go home because it's getting really cold. Actually, I'm going to scale that fence and can't be bothered walking around.